Hey YouTube, Magnificent here. So got a situation. For some reason I left my lights on last night, and when I go to start the car, nothing happens, and go ahead and pop the trunk to charge it, that happens. Yes, nothing. So how do you charge a battery on a vehicle when you can't get into the place the battery is? Well, we're gonna solve that today. So all you do, of course, you got a battery charger. It's real simple. Go to the passenger side, you pull down on this little carpet, remove the little foam. You gotta go up, so let me go the very top, otherwise you'll break it. So it should slide out like so. And these are 8 millimeters. There's one here. There's 3 of them, I believe. One over there, and then there's one on the top, right there. Take that out, and we shall see what happens. Let's see if I got enough extension. Oh, no, they're not 8 millimeters. They are 10 millimeters. Give me a second. Let me solve that situation. Let me go ahead and solve that situation here. So I came prepared. I knew it was either 8 or 10. Maybe I didn't come prepared. All right. All right, so you grab a 10 mil. I'm gonna set this down for a second. Hang on, can you help me out for a second? Grab this, please. Pop that out. Actually, hold on. Hold that down, please. Hold that down. There we go. All right.
What are you doing?
Taking that out. Okay. And this one. Let's see here. Okay. Once you got these out, be careful not to drop these in the bottom, because they're easy to drop. Pull out. You gotta pull from the top down. This comes out, and voila! You have a battery situation. All right, go ahead. You're good. So what you're gonna do is we're gonna attach, of course, the power there and the ground like so. So I'm gonna do that real quick and be right back. All right, YouTube, like I said, so your positive lead goes to this one here, not here. This goes directly to the battery. You want it to go this one. There is a little plate here. Just go ahead and pop your negative lead there, and that'll give you some juice to be able to at least get the trunk unlocked. So what you'll do is you wait until it just charges. What I did is I gave this some juice, and I had that little valet key that's on everyone's Mercedes, and I used that to manually unlock the trunk. What I found out is, for whatever reason, even with the valet key, you can't unlock it without having any power. So I'm gonna go grab mine and do that now. All right, YouTube, here's the situation. I went ahead and popped these on, and the truth is, it's better if you have the small little chargers, because those output small little trinkets of amps, and now so that they can just add up and build up. These, I found it was more difficult. You'll find that I tried to put it on the 40 amp. It was just too much. I noticed that the gauge was gone. I just literally had to start going back and forth, but eventually I left it on between 2 to 10 amps, and I noticed the gauge, and it was just trickling. So you may have to leave it here for a while. Left it here for about, I don't know, 5 minutes. And the way you'll know it's ready, well, I knew it was getting ready because the radio came on with the key on there, but then I knew it was ready because when I opened up the driver's side door, my cluster lights came on. I went ahead and popped that trunk. It took about 3-4 seconds, and bam, it went ahead and popped open. And for those of you asking, well, why don't you use the little key? Well, I tried, and that didn't work. It seems like when the battery is off, it doesn't work. So that's that, guys. Right now, you just go ahead and put everything back. Slice like so in, match the little nuts there. Pop it in. You gotta make sure that you're on the little plates before. All right, got that back in. Foam is next. Know it's the right way because you'll see the writing up, right side up. And then I notice it best if you fold. Well, I don't know what I was thinking. Probably should go ahead and put these on first, huh? That'd be a good idea. All right, I'm gonna pop these on, and these little nuts are a pain in the butt. Notice if you get a little 10mm socket that's long, and just actually put it in there that way, it'll make your world 10 times easier if you do it that way. So just heads up. You put these down, and there's these little cradles. Make sure you push it in there, good. So you don't want to hear it flapping around. Curl this up. Push. You'll see the little piece up in here. I don't have any light. 1 second here. So you see that little light here. That go up and under. So you want these little flaps. You want these little flaps here to go underneath that little rigid piece there, so you can hold it. There we go for one. There's the other, and done. There we go. All right, guys. I hope it helped. If it was helpful, please like, subscribe, and give a comment. Take care.